So what is it?
It's only
FPV Friday.
FPV Friday.
This video is for DJI really. I've got my FPV goggles, which is my goggles free, my motion controller free. I've got an Avata too, but I also got a Mini 5 Pro. So DJI, why haven't you done an update yet so we can fly the Mini 5 Pro in FPV? I know you can fly the drone itself in FPV, say using your RC2 controller. To me, it's not the same. You've got to have that goggles feeling. But this come out, I believe, in October. This come out not that long ago, the Neo 2. But on the Neo 2, you can fly with the goggles, but not with the 5. But I've got so many drones here, guys. But with the Mini 4 Pro, you can. So, Mini 4 Pro, Neo 2, not the Mini 5 Pro. So come on, DJI. What's happening? It's what, October? We're talking nearly 5 months now, and he ain't even got an update. So come on. And guys, it's you lot out there will make DJI take note. If you actually put up comments, or even better, I mean, I've sent a message to DJI support. Send a message to when's it going to be? Is there going to? There should be an update for the Mini 5 Pro. I mean, supposedly the Avata 360 will be coming out soon, so I'll obviously imagine there's going to be an update for that. But come on, guys, Mini 5 Pro, we all want it. Do we? Or do we want it? Anyway, enjoy the vid. It's only a short vid. It's a bit of a moan to DJI. I always moan at DJI, mainly because they never send me a drone anyway. But come on, Mini 5 Pro should be on the goggles free at least. So anyway, enjoy the vid. I'll put up some footage, FPV in, because don't forget, it is only FPV Friday. And yeah, I'll catch you on another video coming right sooner. And don't forget that other guy, Andy from Drone Life. Top man.
One more time.